Hi, I'm Nisa from Orbitronics. If your store runs through Shopify, there's an easy way to get connected through Opay. First, you need to reach out to us because Shopify does require a custom integration. Thereafter, we'll send you a link to get the Opay checkout app downloaded on your Shopify store. You'd need to sign in to your Shopify admin account, and there you should see Opay checkout in your apps list. You'd need to enter your Opay secret key, which will be found by going to your Opay dashboard, going to API keys, and creating an API key. Generate a live or test API key depending on where you're at in development. Select a billing currency in Opay checkout in the Shopify admin section and save. Once you've done that, we will go ahead and complete the custom integration on our end for your Shopify site.